How to extract one frame of a video every n seconds to an image? How can I convert a video file to a sequence of images, for example one frame every n seconds? Can mplayer or ffmpeg do this? I have used mplayer to grab screenshots manually, but I would like to automate this for a long video.
We'll save a frame as a JPEG file every 5 seconds. However, it will not stop at the end of the file. It will continue producing copies of the last frame. To avoid this, find the duration of the video in seconds, using another player, or with mplayer. And look for a line like it underscore length equals 147.00. Subtract 2 from the length, and use this value for the endpost option. For example, for a 147 seconds video.
It's very simple with ffmpeg, and it can output one frame every n seconds without extra scripting. To export as an image sequence, just use myimage_%04d.png, or similar as the output. The %0xt bit is converted to a 0 padded integer x digits long. The example I gave gets output as myimage_0000.png, myimage_0001.png, myimage_0002.png, etc. You can use lots of still image formats, PNG, JPEG, TIFF, whatever, see ffmpeg formats, for a full list. Okay, so now we know how to export the movie as a sequence of images, but say we don't want to export every single frame? The trick is to simply change the frame rate of the output to whatever we want using the RN option, where n is the number of frames per second. 1 frame per second would be R1, 1 frame every 4 seconds would be R0.25, 1 frame every 10 seconds would be R0.1, and so on. So to put it all together, this is how it would look to save one frame of input.move every 4 seconds to output_0000.png, output_0001.png, etc. Note that the R0.25 option goes after the input.move part, because it's controlling the frame rate of the output. If you put it before the input, it would treat the input file as if it had the specified frame rate. Change the %xt to however many digits you need. For example, if the command would create more than 10,000 frames, change the %04d to %05d. This also works for input files that are image sequence. Read more here. Windows users. On the command line, use %. Example, ffmpeg input file.mp4 or one output file %02d.png. In CMD and BAT scripts, use %. Example, ffmpeg input file.mp4 or one output file %02d.png. So double % in scripts, and single % on the interactive command line. Getting it wrong in either situation will generate an error. Edit worth checking out the discussion of file types in the comments below. There are advantages and disadvantages with each. JPEG much smaller file sizes, lossy, only 8-bit color, no alpha. PNG lossless, large files, slow. 8-bit color supports alpha. TIFF lossless, even larger files, fast, supports up to 16 color and alpha. To specify the file format, just use the required extension in the output file, for example, myimage_%04d.jpg, myimage_%04d.png, or myimage_%04d.tiff.
With ffmpeg, you can do the following. This command generates a 320 x 240 sized JPG thumbnail at the 4th second in the video. Put this in a script that changes the time and file name and you're done. More info: create a thumbnail image every X seconds of the video. If you are after a kind of contact sheet and if you are working with a Unix like us, you can use this elaborate script, called to the point video contact sheet NIX, short VCS. In the background it also uses ffmpeg, by default, or mplayer, hence can handle a lot of video formats. It automates the process of capturing still images from the movie and compose these to an image with some header and footer. You can choose for example how many captures you want or alternatively the time differences between them. For interval of 10 minutes, the invocation is like that. Check the full list of command line options for some other tweaks. Here is an example contact sheet, taken from the homepage.
If you want the support, you can be at the chosen list of students.